English Standard 3 Term First. Hello children, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you are all safe in your home. Have you written your homework? Have you completed your classwork? Do you read your book every day? Okay children, you are a good, yes. You are a good students. You are reading every day, writing your homework properly. Yes or no? Yes. Now all of you take your English book. All of you take your English book. Open your book page number 73. Open your book page number 73. Have you taken your book everybody? Book page number 73. Book page number 73. I gave homework already, yes. Okay, now check your homework, okay. First one, circle the right word. Circle the right word. Which one is correct? You got to circle that word, okay. Look at the first picture. All of you, look at the first picture. Is the picture knife or recipe book? Is the picture knife or recipe book? Say all of you. What is the correct answer? Yes, recipe book. What is the correct answer? Recipe book. Okay. You got to circle recipe book. Have you circled? You circle பண்ணிருக்கல்ல? Okay. நீ தப்பா பண்ணிருந்தேனா if you go okay. You got to circle the recipe book. Okay, look at the second picture. Is the picture fork or spoon? Fork or spoon? Fork mean முள் கரண்டி. Spoon na சாதாரண கரண்டி. Okay, சிறிய கரண்டி. What is the correct word? Fork. F-O-R-K, fork. Okay, you got to circle fork. Look at the third picture. Is the picture mixer or pot? Mixer or pot? What is the correct answer? Mixer. You got to circle mixer. M-I-X-E-R, mixer. Okay. Look at the fourth picture. Is the picture ladle or pan? Ladle or pan? What is the correct word? The pan. What is the correct word? Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Okay. Have you corrected your answer? Okay, next second. Match the following. Match the following. Milkshake, rice, cutting, frying. Milkshake, rice, cutting, frying. M-I-L-K-S-H-A-K-E. Milkshake, rice. R-I-C-E, rice, cutting. C-U-T-T-I-N-G. Cutting, frying. F-R-Y-I-N-G. Frying. We have to match the correct picture. Okay. Milkshake. Okay. If you want milkshake mean what we need? Mixer. Yes. Okay. You have to match it. Mixer. Milkshake. Mixer. Okay. Next rice. What we need? Pot. Rice. Pot. Okay, next cutting, knife. Cutting, knife. Frying, pan. Frying, pan. First one, milkshake, mixer, rice, pot, cutting, knife, frying, pan. You have to match like this, okay? Okay, next. Listen, think and write, okay? Recipe book, Ramu, food, delicious. Recipe book, Ramu, food, delicious. Who runs a restaurant? Who runs the restaurant? Who runs the restaurant? Recipe book, Ramu, food, delicious. What is the correct answer? Ramu. Very good. Ramu runs the restaurant. What is the spelling of Ramu? Say all of you. R-A-M-U Ramu. R-A-M-U Ramu. அப்போ who runs the restaurant? Ramu runs the restaurant. Okay. Second question. Who was the chef? Who was the chef? Who was the chef? Recipe book. Food delicious. What is the correct answer? Recipe book. What is the correct answer? Recipe book. What is the spelling of recipe book? R-E-C-I-P-E-B-O-O-K book. Recipe book. Recipe book was the chef. Recipe book was the chef. Okay. Number 3. How was the food? How was the food? How was the food? The food was delicious. The food was delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. The food was delicious. Okay. Number 4. Why was Ramu happy? Why was Ramu happy? Why was Ramu happy? Ramu was happy because dash was ready. Food was ready. What is the correct answer? Food. What is the spelling of food? F-O-O-D, food. Okay, food was ready. Again, who runs the restaurant? Ramu runs the restaurant. Who was the chef? Recipe book was the chef. How was the food? The food was delicious. Why was Ramu happy? Ramu was happy because food was ready. Okay, check it first. Okay, next all of you look at the picture. Choose the correct one. Okay, what is missing in this box? Okay, பாரு ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன இருக்குது? தோசை சட்டியில் ஆஃப் ஆயில் போட்டு வச்சுருக்காங்க. அது பக்கத்தில் என்ன இருக்குது? அது எடுக்கக்குள்ள கரண்ட் இருக்குது அப்படி தானே. நெக்ஸ்ட் பிக்சரில் என்ன இருக்குது? வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படி தானே. கேரட் நெக்ஸ்ட் கொரியண்டர் லீவ்ஸ். Okay, next what will come in this box? Okay, what will come? Look at the pictures. A ladle, B knife, C fork. What we need for cut the vegetables? Vegetable cut பண்ணக்கு நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? fork வேணுமா, ladle வேணுமா, knife வேணுமா? Very good, knife. What will come here? Knife. Okay, what is the correct answer? Knife. Okay, B. You got to circle B only. Okay, everybody circle B. Okay. Okay, turn next page. Page number 74. Page number 74. Okay, so the actions and say it to your friend. Okay, yeah. Look at the first picture. Great. Great na என்னது? இது எல்லார் வீட்லையும் இருக்கும் அப்படி தானே. Everybody have this one, yes? In our home. கேரட்டு பீட்ரூட் எல்லாம் திருவுவாங்களா, இதில் வச்சு திருவாங்க. அதானது கிரேட், திருவுவது. ஓகே, திருவல் கிரேட். சீவல் சொல்லுவாங்களா, அதுக்கு பேர் தான் கிரேட். ஓகே. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டிர். ஸ்டிர்னா என்னது? கலக்குது, கலக்குவது. ஓகே, ஸ்டிர்னா என்னது? கிண்டுதல், கலக்குதல், இதெல்லாமே என்னது? ஸ்டிர். STIR, ஸ்டிர். போர். போர்னா என்னது? ஊற்றுறது, ஊற்றுதல். போர்னா என்னது? ஊற்றுதல். இது ஆக்ஷன். திஸ் ஆல் ஆக்ஷன். ஓகே, கிரேட்னா திருவது, அது ஒரு ஆக்ஷன், அது ஒரு செயல். ஸ்டிர் வந்து கலக்குதல், கலக்குது, கிண்டுவது, கிண்டியெல்லாம் விடுவோம்ல, அதானது ஸ்டிர். போர். போர்னா ஊற்றுவது. என்னென்ன ஊற்றுவோம்? தண்ணி ஊற்றுவோம், பால் ஊற்றுவோம், அப்படி தானே. இதெல்லாம் போர், ஊற்றுதல். பாயில் அப்படின்னா என்னது? கொதிக்க விடுது. பாயில் அப்படின்னா கொதிக்க விடுது. குக் பை பாயிலிங். ஓகே, சமைக்கும்போது கொதிக்கும்ல, பார்த்துக்கியா? கொதிக்கிறத பார்த்துருக்கியா? பாயில். ஓகே, இங்கே என்ன கொதிக்குது? முட்டை வேக வச்சுருக்காங்க அப்படி தானே. முட்டை வேக வச்சுருக்காங்க, அது பாயில் ஆகிட்டே இருக்குது. சோப் அப்படின்னா என்னது? கட் பண்ணுறது. ஓகே, whisk also கலக்கிறது, whisk also கலக்கிறது. Okay, look at the pictures and write the accents, okay. First look at the first pictures. What will come and the answer? Pour, P-O-U-R, pour, P-O-U-R, pour. Right everybody? P-O-U-R, pour. Second pictures, great, G-R-A-T-E, great, G-R-A-T-E, great. Third picture, stir, S-T-I-R, stir. Again first picture, P-O-U-R, pour. Second picture, G-R-A-T-E, great. Third picture, S-T-I-R, stir, S-T-I-R, stir. Write it first. Okay, next all of you take your class work note. All of you take your class work note. Write your class work continuously. Okay, take it fast. Have you taken your class work note? Already we have completed 4 question answer. Yes or no? Yes. Today write 5th question. Who prepared the rice? Who prepared the rice? W-H-O, who prepared. P-R-E-P-A-R-E-D, prepared. T-H, the R-I-C-E, rice. Who prepared the rice? W-H-O, who. Who prepared the rice? W-H-O, who. P-R-E-P-A-R-E-D, prepared. T-H, the R-I-C-E, rice. Who prepared the rice? Answer A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. The pot prepared the rice. The pot prepared the rice. T-H, the P-O-T, pot, prepared. P-R-E-P-A-R-E-D, prepared. T-H, the R-I-C-E, rice. The pot prepared the rice. Who prepared the rice? The pot prepared the rice. Read it fast. Have you written 5th question answer? Okay, next 6. What did mixer make? What did mixer make? W-H-A-T, what? D-I-D, did. M-I-X-E-R, mixer, make. M-A-K-E, make. What did mixer make? W-H-A-T, what? D-I-D, did. M-I-X-E-R, mixer. Make, M-A-K-E, make. Answer. The mixer made tasty milkshake. T-H-E, the mixer. M-I-X-E-R, mixer. M-A-D-E, made tasty. T-A-S-T-Y, tasty milkshake. M-I-L-K, milk. S-K-A-K-E, shake, milkshake. What did mixer make? Answer. The mixer made tasty milkshake. Very fast. Write it fast.
The King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world. You can beat the war. You can talk the guy.
Okay, next, 7th question. Who was sick? WHO, who. WAS was. SACK, sick. Who was sick? Answer. Ramu was sick. RAMU, Ramu. WAS was. SACK, sick. Ramu was sick. Write it first. Have you written? Next question. Who helped Ramu? Question number 8. Who helped Ramu? WHO who? HELPED helped Ramu. RAMU Ramu. Who helped Ramu? Answer ANSWER. Answer recipe book, pot, mixer, burner and knife helped Ramu. Answer ANSWER. Answer recipe book. RECIPE recipe book. POOK book. Pot POT pot. Mixer MAXER mixer. Burner BURNER burner. And and knife KNIFE knife. Helped 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 Ramu. RAMU Ramu. Who helped Ramu? Recipe book, pot, mixer, burner and knife helped Ramu. RECIPE recipe BOOK book, pot POT pot, mixer MIXER mixer, burner BURNER burner, and knife KNIFE knife. HELPED helped Ramu. Who helped Ramu? Recipe book, pot, mixer, burner and knife helped Ramu. Write it first. Okay, have you written everybody? Now close your classwork page. Now turn your homework page. Okay, check your homework answer. Yesterday I gave 2 questions. Okay, now we got to check your answer. Take it first. Okay, who was a chef? Recipe book was a chef. RECIPE recipe book. BOOK book. WAS was a chef. Recipe book was a chef. Who was a chef? Recipe book was a chef. Why was Ramu happy? Ramu was happy because the food was ready. Ramu was happy because the book was ready. Okay, check your answer first. Have you corrected your answer? Now write today's homework. Okay, write your homework. Lesson the big offer, question answer. Okay, who helped Ramu? who helped helped Ramu. Ramu, Ramu, who helped Ramu? who helped Ramu, Ramu, who helped Ramu? Question number 2. Who runs the restaurant? Who runs the restaurant? who runs runs. TH the restaurant. RESTAURANT restaurant. RESTAURANT restaurant. Who runs the restaurant? Write it fast. These all answer in your classwork note. Okay. Read the question and write the answer. Study all the question answer. Write and see every day. Okay. Question answer படிச்சு எழுதி பாரு. Don't waste your time. Okay, have you written? Again, first question, who helped Rama? Second question, who runs the restaurant? Today this class is over. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you all.